Can I get some more now? I need some more now. Everybody around me down. Everybody around me know. In it for life, I won't stop. This is all I know. In it for life, I won't stop. This is all I know. I need more. Working for more.
Yeah. Welcome back to another day in the Elajas era. I'm Elajas. You doing good? I'm doing pretty good. You doing good? I'm doing pretty good. So today we have an Elajas Eats Uniquely, and it's about to get real funky, about to get real creative. I'm gonna need you to strap on your chef hat and come with me to my kitchen because it's about to get real. So I like to make scrambled eggs.
Eggs! E-double-G-S eggs!
I love to get in the kitchen, water whip with these egg mixes, and I pretty much throw whatever is in my eyesight into my eggs because when I eat, I like to be full. I like to be nice and rested and like my stomach to feel good after I eat. I don't like to eat and then feel hungry a little after. So I'll pretty much take whatever is in my closet and I'll just put it in an egg mix and see what happens. You know, like I definitely eat uniquely. I eat creatively. When I'm hungry especially, I'm gonna eat whatever. You know, I'm gonna eat whatever. So today we're putting that to the test and I'm gonna show you guys some of what I do in my house when I'm basically bored and hungry and feeling real creative. So today we got some scrambled egg mix and I'm about to show you how to eat scrambled eggs real uniquely. So enough of the chit chat, let's get to cooking. Okay, so we have 3 eggs and I'm about to take these joints and they finna get cracked and they finna get put into this little bowl, so let's get to it.
Boys, yeah. I can never switch up on myself. No. When I make a milli, I'ma spend it on myself. Yeah. You wasn't there for me when I had demons to be dealt. Now they see the name and everybody wants some help. Whoa, whoa. Get the fuck around my face. You can look into my...
Honestly, I crack those eggs really well, and sometimes I be leaving a whole lot of eggshells in there, so I think that was pretty good. But first, we have some pure ground black pepper. Let's get to it. Boom. Then we have some ground cinnamon. Sprinkle that in there. Boom. Then we have some parsley flakes. The floor. You know what I'm saying? Sprinkle some of that in there. Sprinkle. There we go. Then we have some seasoned salt, Lowry's. You know what I'm saying? Sprinkle some of that in there. Boom, man. Then we have some butter and garlic croutons. Fresh gourmet, you know what I'm saying?
I got no love for the fakes. I be in a different lane. Damn, this world could be so cold. Don't let the drugs take my soul. No, but I'm still smoking on the road. Whoa, whoa, now a nigga straight. Bird all in my plate. Ran off with their bait.
And honestly, I've never tried croutons in my eggs. This is kind of just me doing this right now for experimental sake. So we're gonna see how this actually tastes. You know, I'm honestly very open to my food. I really would try anything. I eat pig. I eat a squirrel if it was fried, right? That does sound kind of weird though. But I mean, honestly, if anything is cooked right, it can taste good. My hands are really ready right now.
Yeah, I'm flossed up. Yeah, I'm flossed up. Yeah, I'm flossed up. Fuck the haters, they can't even go on mall runs. Yeah, I'm flossed up. Yeah. Don't worry about the ugly, life's too beautiful. Yeah, I came.
Alright, now we have freshly washed hands. We about to throw in some tomato.
From the ugly, came from kicking doors. Now my neck be so damn cold cause I'm in Montreal. Damn, I really been so lonely since I left my home. Never switched up on my day ones, I'm just in my zone. Learn to focus on myself and now a nigga grown. Now a nigga grown, yeah. I can never switch up on myself. No. When I make a milli, I'ma spend it on myself. Yeah.
See what I was like right there. And yes, I will be eating whatever is in this bowl right now. And we have some Hillshire Farm turkey right here. And we're going to put that in here too. This is usually what I put in my eggs. Like, I'm trying to be less unique and more regular, I guess.
I'm just a regular, degular, schmegular girl from the Bronx.
What I call it. I just throw some egg mix in there with a little seasoned salt and some turkey, and it definitely is usually good. Honestly, who knows what this is gonna taste like? Putting my stomach on a limb right now. Hey man, I go the mile. I test the limits. I see what's possible. So next, we about to put some Ritz crackers in this junk. I've never seen so much in an egg mix before, but this is what's happening. Alright, we're not gonna OD with this one. We're just gonna crush up one. So this is what it looks like before it is mixed. So let's get to mixing.
But I'm still smoking on the road. Whoa, whoa, now a nigga straight. Bread all in my plate. Ran off with your babe. Think she saw my waist. Took her on a date. Cause love a boy's a name. I'll fuck her cause she boring. She don't make a nigga wait. Yeah, I'm flossed up.
This is what it looks like after the mix. Let's get to cooking. Alright, now that we've made our nice mix, we're gonna spray some of this coconut palm oil on the pan. Make sure you don't get a lot of stickage on the pan, you know what I'm saying? Boom. And then we gonna pour in our beautiful egg mix that we've got here. Are you ready? I don't think the pan is ready. I'm ready though. Are you ready? Alright, let's get to it. $700 bands, let's get straight to it. Honestly, that don't look too damn bad. If we're being real here, that don't look bad. But since we here, we might as well add some more stuff. We in the pan already, you know what I'm saying? So what I think is a nice addition to this is some ocean spray craisins. Craisins hits very nicely. I love me some craisins. People usually put them on their salad. I literally just eat them by themselves because they're pretty fire. But we gonna see how they taste in some eggs. Boom. I put a lot there actually. But anyway, got the craisins. But why stop there? You know? That's usually the question with me. It's why stop there? And we also have some spring mix spinach. And we gonna sprinkle that in there as well in our little egg concoction we got going on here. Got a little stray. And we're gonna crush, 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 crush. Oh, hear that sizzle. I hear that sizzle. It's looking like an omelet right now, but I don't think I'm making an omelet. But you have our concoction, and now it's time to let it cook. Let's cook it up. Water, whip, stir, fry in the kitchen right now.
You like that? You like that?
I was gonna bust out some bars, but my flow was terrible just now. So anyway, let's get to cooking.
Respect. Born prodigy, best believe I keep it thorough. Do this for my family, man, I do this for my borough. Queens represent to the day that I am down low. Even in the grave, have them questioning like how so. Say I'm unassuming, whiter than cocaine. Then they hear the music, part of the dope game. My coke game is propane. You hating dudes is so lame. Must be losing manhood, need some mental road gain. Okay, everything is calculated. Manipulation I'm facing got me wild jaded. No emancipation, your shit is basic. Need braces for your mind, get your priorities straightened. I'm not the one, no Khaled and no Bieber. Stop it son, I'm not the average believer of everything someone mama says. Take it all in high res, read what the sign says. Don't need wings to fly like a stand-up tour. They all move funny, so I stand up more. Pursue new money, I stay on my grind. Let my hard work shed while these other motherfuckers get their food spoon-fed. Yeah, no handouts, man, I do it for your damn doubts. Whatever you saying, dog, just make sure you say it loud. If you gonna whisper, then don't say that shit at all. Holla or that talk on the block like a cat call. No handouts, man, I do it for your damn doubts. Whatever you saying, dog, just make sure you say it loud. If you gonna whisper, then don't say that shit at all. Holla or that talk on the block like a cat call.
So now that we're done cooking, we finally have our final product. You can see it here right now, boom. And it doesn't look bad to me. I think it looks very nice, and for a nice little finishing touch, we're gonna take some white truffle olive oil spray and we're gonna spritz it on. Boom, boom, boom. And then we're gonna see how this gonna taste. So I'll be back with a fork and it's clobbering time. Pretty good. Very flavorful. Pretty damn good, honestly. Like, I'm not even just saying that just because, like, I made it and I now have to eat it. But it's pretty good. I like it. So that'll do it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Drop some of your recipes in the comments below. I'll try it too. You know, I'm up for anything. I love food and I love trying new things. So I'm always down to try whatever recipe you may have. I have a bunch of recipes which kind of just consists of random stuff that I just see and put in things. But anyway, this was Elajas Eats Uniquely. Make sure you leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more food related content and a bunch of different other stuff you can check out my channel for. And I'm not wearing any meat. Finito.
See you tryna get your bands up, stopping me from getting mine, you better put your hands up. Turn your boss to Clay, man's running like a dance off. Hit you in the center like McGregor with a hand truck. Ooh, best kept secret like a baller's life mixtape. Ooh, ooh, stupid when I'm flowing, talk your shit sway.